Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing video and basic review of this Braun Series 3 3010 electric shaver. I bought it during the Amazon shopping festival this season just a few days back. As you can see, the MRP is printed here is almost 10,000 rupees, but in the sale I got it for about 5,300. Before we open, this comes in two models is what I believe. There is one model which is cheaper, about 3,000 rupees, where you get just the shaver and none of these attachments. Whereas this box you get some of the combs or trimmer. The best part about this is this has got a lithium ion battery and quickly charges. As you can see, within it gives you a 45-minute shaving time with I think 1 hour of charging, and you can also have a 5-minute quick shave with one shave with 5 minutes of charging. It is fully waterproof, so you can use it in dry or wet condition. uh, Here you can see there are the attachments which are provided with it, and you get a trimmer, 5 types of combs, plus you get this machine trimmer, and the best part is this is a foil type of shaver. Anyway, so let's go ahead with the unboxing. So, so you have some documents, I think, user guide. It's in quite a few different languages. Yeah, I don't think it's that difficult to understand how to use this. This is again some pictorial user guide, how to do basic shaving and things, even in different languages. This is, I believe, the warranty card. Uh, we grant a 2-year guarantee of the product, and this is for India, so it's a genuine product with a 2-year guarantee. The service centers they mentioned. Okay, now let's dig into what's inside. So here you have the charging cable. This is the regular Indian type pin with this 2-pin charger. The quality is quite good. The wire quality is not bad. Then you have the brush to clean after shaving. Then you have this packet here, which I believe should have all the accessories. So this is a trimming head, as you can see, quite good quality. The quality of plastic is quite good. These are the combs. Yeah, 4 different types of combs for 4 different sizes, depending upon what size trim you need for your beard. Okay, quite nicely packed. And this, I believe, is the pouch, for travel pouch for carrying the trimmer. It's a nice nylon pouch, and I think all these accessories would fit inside with the charger. Doesn't look too big. I don't think the charger itself would fit inside this. No, I doubt. Anyway, so let's keep these things aside and now get on with the main charger itself. Yeah. So, yeah, wet and dry S3. It comes with a cover. Yes, this is the cover. It's quite sturdy, and yeah, That's the trimmer itself. As you can see, it's a foil type. It's quite hefty. I wouldn't say too heavy, but then you feel the heft in your hand and it feels quite well made. There's a rubberized grip here, and this is the on off button. Oh, it's got some charge already. I guess you can hear. And this is LED 3010S, the model. Here you have some of the certifications, made in China as expected. Oh, and then let's see if I can open this. Yeah, it easily comes off. This I think is a real motor, actual motor. Yeah, this is the one that vibrates. And then you have the foil type shaver head. Quite easily fits in. Yeah, so let's give it a try. So okay, I have used it. Unfortunately, I couldn't make a video of me shaving because there was no provision in the bathroom to do it. But anyway, what I would say is the results are quite good. It gives quite a clean shave, though depending upon what is the size of your beard. दो दिन तीन दिन से आपने शेव नहीं किया है, so it might take some time. You might have to go one or twice or even thrice depending upon how thick is your beard. But of course, recommend करूँगा कि you use a trimmer. If your beard is too long, you use a trimmer. You get it down to the smallest trim size possible, and then do the actual shaving. I'm pretty happy with the results. In fact, I'll tell you my thought process before going for this. I was really interested in buying the Philips One Blade because that looks like a really interesting product with just one blade. You do all kinds of things and very simple to use. But then I read some reviews on the internet, and I was not very happy with all the reactions that I found on the internet. And again, it was more like a mechanized regular shaving blade, what you have, and then it had to be replaced quite often. Then my next thought was to buy the Philips Aquatouch. I think the 1050 and another one was 1450. I think one of these models. Uh, but then again, that had a rotary blade thing, as you know, and then sometimes it is not very convenient if you have if you have a goatee, or if you like to keep a French beard, then sometimes having those three circular heads, it becomes a little difficult to shave. Whereas this is very easier. This I found to be pretty easy. As I told, I've used the Babyliss Professional earlier, and it is similar to this. Unfortunately, I used that for almost 7 years, and now the battery is almost dead, and there is no way I can replace the battery. So I thought, yeah, why not go for the complete system with all, where I can do different kinds of styling. I can have a trimmed beard, I can have a stubble, everything can be done using the different trim heads what we saw. And of course, for clean shave, you can use this. Best part is you can use this with a shaving foam or just with wet hair, or even completely dry. Of course, I wouldn't recommend doing it completely dry because that might give you a irritation later on. But you can use a foam and then you can shave. It's quite comfortable, quite smooth, and does its job pretty well. And I think for the price of just a little above 5,000 rupees, I think it's a good deal. I'll leave a link for Amazon in the description below. I'm not sure by the time this video is up, the prices would be same because I had got it in a lightning deal or deal of the day. But I'm still sure you can find a good deal for this on the internet. So from my side, it's recommended, and thumbs up. Thank you.